if we can get a picture of this. If you do, I have to snap real fast. Back up. Kirsten, Mikey. Get Kirsten out of the way. Crystal. Get Kirsten. Get Kirsten out of the way.
Crystal, get her out of the way.
Kirsten, move. Move.
One, two, three.
I think you can do a better splash than that. Let's see, Crystal. She can't hear when she goes underwater. All right, Michael, let's see what you can do. Michael won.